May mga lugar na magaganda pero hindi pa nadidiskubrihan ng karamihan. Mula sa kabundukan hanggang sa karagatan. At sa episode na to, papasyalan natin ang municipality ng Tabugon.
Sa 38 municipalities dito sa Cebu, bawat lugar may nakatagong ganda. My name is Joe at samahan niyo akong mamasyal dito sa municipality ng Tabugon.
Maring hindi kilala ang Tabugon bilang isang hotspot sa turismo dito sa Cebu. Sa katunayan, ang ilang mga Cebuano ay hindi alam kung ano ang madadatnan sa naturang bayan. Aguho ang dating pangalan ng municipality ng Tabugon na hango sa Aguho Tree. Ang kagandahan dito sa Tabugon ay aktibo ang kanilang tourism office na pinangungunahan ni Erin Noyonoynay. Ang Tabugon ay may 400% development pace of travelers who are coming in since the opening back of tourism in the province of Cebu. Cafe by the Sea ay ang panibagong nadagdag sa turismo dito sa municipality of Tabugon. Aside sa pagiging adjacent to the street, Cafe by the Sea is a peaceful shoreline cafe that gives a loosening up retreat to visitors.
Hi, my name is Honey,
My name is Lani White.
and we are the owners of Cafe by the Sea. Okay, so it's called Cafe by the Sea because obviously it's located in a coastal area here in Moabog. We started April 30, 2021. We're just a baby in the food industry here in Tabugon.
Perfect talaga ang pangalang Cafe by the Sea dahil nasa tabi lang ito ng dagat at talagang mai-enjoy nyo ang mga tanawin habang kumakain.
Soon, we will convert into a resort which will be called Lani's Haven. So Lani's Haven. So tell them about how the rooms that we have, Ma.
We have a room, a very big room, and it's air conditioned. You know, it's 5 by 5 and 12 meters, very high ceiling place.
Inspired by what?
Inspired,
Sa European inspired rooms.
yeah.
For Cafe by the Sea, we actually offer a variety of foods because, of course, because of the pandemic, people can't go freely to the city to eat their cravings or to have their cravings. So that's why I thought that we will have a different kind of fusion, American, Mexican, Korean, Filipino fusion. So we have sizzlings, milk tea, coffee, fraps, and everything else that we can think of. So our menu is expanding over the time. Depends on our customers'
It's a
needs.
home-cooked menu.
And also it's our recipe, home cooked meal. So we don't buy ready to eat or ready to cook. To all the people from Cebu or travelers, so if you come by here or you come to Tabugon, kindly visit us here in
Relax.
Cafe by the Sea. Yes, if you want to relax from your stressful work or if you want to take your kids and your family to relax and enjoy here, please come and visit us. Cafe by the Sea, Moabog, Tabugon. So we open from 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. every day. Yes,
Tuesday to Sunday.
Tuesdays to Sundays, and we actually close Mondays due to disinfection.
Salag Viewing Point, isa din sa bagong atraksyon dito sa Tabugon. It is not fully operational, pero pwede nyo nang pasyalan.
Hello everyone, it's Christy Wiesen and I'm the owner of the newest spot here in Salag, Tabugon, which is many called Salag Viewing Point because it's such a great view and it's the closest to the famous hanging bridge here in Salag and as well as the river. And this is a great spot for camping, and if you want to go for island hopping, you can do that too. There's dolphins, there's turtles, and it's just an amazing place for a lookout. So I hope that everyone can come visit here. This place is not fully operational, but hopefully in the future we can totally develop the place. But for now, we welcome campers here in our place.
Isa sa sikat na dinarayo dito sa Tabugon ay ang Banyan Spring, also known as Kiwanon Spring. Kaya pagpasok pa lang ng summer, dagsaan agad ang mga tao dito sa Banyan Spring. Sino ba naman hindi magagandahan dito sa sobrang linaw ng tubig at sobrang lamig? Sa halagang 100 pesos na entrance fee, mai-enjoy nyo na talaga ang kanilang natural swimming pool. Isa sa pwede niyong puntahan ay ang Pasao Resort. Bukod sa kanilang swimming pool, pwede din kayong mag-enjoy sa kanilang dagat.
Hi, I'm Rochelle Coligado, as caretaker of Pasao Beach Resort. Gitawag ni nga Pasao Beach Resort kaning Pasao, apelido ni sa mga owner sa Pasao Beach Resort. Nag-operate ni last August 2020. Na entrance fee 50 pesos. Nya kung maligo og pool mo add og 50 pesos. Bali 100 tanan og mag-pool. Pero og wala mag-pool 50 ra gyud. We have 3 rooms available na ay new room na mo na 2.5 na siya ang kantidad, then 3 persons ang mosulod kung mo na-excess mo additional og 250 each, pero kana siya nana na siya breakfast meal ang 3 nya na po may family room good for 6 4,000 with breakfast nya naa na siya kitchen na pwede po makaluto ang mo stay diha. Yeah. Na po may barkada room, dili na siya aircon, good for 8, 3.5 na with breakfast. Yeah, mo exist lang og tag 250 each gyapon og na exist person. Ang cottages kundi use, ang kani diri rooftop 500 pesos. Yeah. Katong cottage with rooftop na mo 500 pesos pud to. Yeah, nami blue nga atok bitaw 500 pesos pud. Nya kaning na ay tiles na mo 500 pesos. Nya katong gamay na mo nga kubo 300 pesos. Nya ang diri sa may talisay tag 300 ni each ang pika sa side 300 ang pika side 300 pod. Nya sa may dagat 200 pesos. Nya ang function hall na mo 800 pesos mo og mo gamit sila og buntag kinahanglan 5 o'clock sa hapon mo kuana humana ang diyos na mo. Bisitahan mi diri sa Pasao Beach Resort sa Kabubuan, Tabugon, Cebu. Dili mo magmahay kung moari mo diri kay makita ninyo ang kanindot sa resort sa Pasao Beach Resort.
Isa din sa perfect place where you can jump into the sea ay ang Sea Turtle Lagoon. Tinatawag na Sea Turtle Lagoon ang resort na to dahil may mga sea turtles kayo makikita sa kanilang beach at may mga rooms din sila na pwede nyo rintahan sa murang halaga lang. Villa Pijuroba Paradise Resort is a perfect getaway place for those who need time to relax and enjoy peaceful moments away from the city. This humble paradise resort offers exclusive views for those who want to hold intimate gatherings such as weddings, birthdays, and more special occasions. But no worries because they also welcome walk-in guests who would like to enjoy their amenities. Setting up camp under the stars with companions is the fantasy. Pwedeng-pwede nyo yung gawin dito sa Paharohay Campsite. Paharohay Campsite that offers you the best 360-degree perspective on the mountains and the oceans. An immense plain of setting up campground in an ocean of green is a thing that welcomes you in the first part of the day. Here, you can have an ideal perspective on the dawn and furthermore, the nightfall.
Ang kuan siya kadang 2-5 maximum og ka 10 siya sir. Nga kuan niya kadang breakfast siya. Ang kuan niya pwede siya makagamit sa atong mga kanang kitchen utensils. No? Nya kung nasa mga food nga pwede isod sa ref, pwede sad sila makasud sa kuan ref.
Tent lang jud ang among gina-offer. And then kana nga payag is only for picture taking lang jud na siya and sightseeing.
Kuan 5 ra sila ang pwede mo kuan sa taas, puli-puli lang ang pagsaka nila. Nya ang atong taas sad kay kadang until 6 PM ra siya. Kana mag-start siya 8 AM pasaka then mo end siya og 6 PM.
For picture taking lang jud na siya, pero if ever naka-encounter naman sa gud mi og kanang heavy rains diri, if ever kusog kayong ulan, pwede sila matulog din ha. Or ganahan silang mag-tent ra jud sa ilawom lang jud
sa
sila
ilawom.
ibutang ang tent og makatulog sila.
Pwede
Pero
sa sila
kung-
sir mo kuan og kanang nice like duyan. Oh, pwede lang
Oo.
duyan.
Magduyan. Nami available din ha, always flavored beer nga Grande and Red Horse. And then sa mga foods nga gusto nilang i-order kung wala sila naka-bring, naami special menu dito like tinolang manok Bisaya, utan Bisaya, sinigang pork ribs, and then sinugbang baboy o fried tilapia. Mao lang na among gina-offer nga foods. And then the dragon fruit shake. If you want to reconnect to nature, come visit Paharuhay campsite, enjoy, just relax, and feel the nature and air. That's it. If you want to get in touch with us, just check our Facebook page, Paharuhay Campsite, and contact number is there.
Isa sa atraksyon na pwede niyong puntahan ay ang Paharuhay Campsite. Kailangan bumiyahe ng almost 2 hours papuntang Tabugon, Cebu, which you can enjoy the 360 view of the northern part of Cebu while camping. Paharuhay means unwind. Bago makaakyat sa campsite, kailangan lang magpa-register at may kasama na kayong guide papunta sa taas for your safety. Kahit gaano man kalayo ang iyong lalakbayin, ang importanteng nag-enjoy at may natutunan kayo sa iyong paglalakbay. My name is Joe and thank you so much for watching.